Edvertis, also known as JR. I'm from Springfield, Mass. First interaction, the wife and I were looking to purchase another Volvo, and we had searched the dealers out. I found Mitchell Auto Group, and I decided let's take a ride to Simsbury. We purchased the Volvo XC90 SUV, and we also purchased a Volvo S90. Actually, it was the internet. I located the Overseas Delivery program on the internet. I tried with other Volvo dealerships, and I got nowhere with it until I came down here. And we walked in, showed them our vehicle, and said we want to get an overseas delivery. Management, they obliged us and did everything that we wanted to do. We built the car probably within an hour, and we were all set. The travel, which I will most definitely suggest to everybody, build it, take the trip to Sweden, take the tour of the factory, and see how your vehicle started, and watch it as they build the other ones and your vehicle went through all of this. The dealer did do something that was excellent. They placed me in a 2018 prior to leaving for Sweden, so I'd be familiar with the vehicle and I wouldn't have a problem understanding my person in Sweden that pretty much spoke broken English. Okay, but it was excellent. You cannot beat the service you get here at the Mitchell Group. I found dealing with the Mitchell Group, the welcome that you get when you come through the door, they make you feel to be a part of the organization. And that's what we were looking for when we chose another dealer. And it's been great here.